In this short video, you will learn the basics of accessing your course evaluation results in Blackboard. First, you will start by logging into Blackboard. You will select the Instructor Evaluation Kit dashboard link under EvaluationKIT Course Evaluations. This is located under the My Messages module on your My Courses page. You may also access your instructor dashboard by selecting the Course Evaluations button in the left-hand navigation pane within your course. You will then select the Results tab. Underneath Results, your first option is the Response Rate Tracker. This option allows you to view results of evaluations in real time, including the number of respondents out of total enrollments and student response rate percentages. The dashboard view provides an overview of response rates for all courses that semester. By default, a semester in progress will show automatically. If you do not see any response rates, the evaluation timeframe may have already ended. See the notes in your handout for what to do in this situation. To view response rates for individual courses, you can select the title of the project, namely the semester you taught the course in, to view your response rates for all of the courses you taught that semester. Going back to the Results tab, your second option is Project Results. This is a report. This option allows you to view the reports for each course you taught. Under Project, select the title of the project to see your courses. Select the icon under Report to view the types of reports you can generate. There are several different reports, and each of them is explained in the handout, but it's not a bad idea to select a couple and compare them and see the report that gives you the information most useful for your purpose. You will also note that some of the reports are the same but do have the comments from students. Let's look at the third option you have under the Results tab. These are the instructor results. This option is similar to project results but allows you to view reports for courses over multiple semesters. Another option in the Results tab is the Report Builder. This allows you to customize, save, and share reports with other EvaluationKIT users. When you create a report, you have the option of viewing it in two different ways, Chart View or All View. All View does give you a little bit more information, but again, you can experiment and see which view you like best. The very last option on the Results tab is the Feedback option. This shows a list of feedback comments from an administrator to an instructor and an option to add comments and to reply. These are the basic features of EvaluationKIT. If you have further questions, please reach out to ITAS at wsutech.edu. Written and produced by WSU Tech ITAS, CC BY 4.0